What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at a product I've had for a while, and it's kind of disproving the point that you need insane filming equipment when it comes to producing YouTube videos or whatever, any sort of online social media content that you want to produce. So I've had these microphones for a while. I actually started up a podcast using these mics, wired. So it's from a company called YelloWay. Obviously not a paid sponsorship or anything. I bought this like years and years ago, and I've used these mics for a while. So this is just to prove the point that you can have a simple wired lavalier microphone, and you should be pretty good when it comes to filming YouTube content. Right now, you're listening to a wireless mic by Alvexcon. To me, this is one of the best microphones I've ever heard, and it's super budget as well. I didn't even pay much for this. It's wireless as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's hop into, I'll just do like a topside view of this, and we'll go from there, and we'll do some audio tests, and you guys can see what this sounds like, and it will do the job, I guarantee. All right, let's hop right into that. And then this is just an audio sample of what the camera, like Lumix G7, sounds like just by itself. As you can hear, this is pretty terrible. I also wanted to call out that you need this cable to plug in this microphone along with several other microphones. It basically, I don't know the technical term, this isn't a technical channel, but it takes essentially this signal and this cable with 3 lines and transmits it into 2, which apparently the camera can sort of pick up on that audio signal. Anyway, let's plug it in and let's see the drastic difference once doing so. See you then, guys. Okay, so now you're hearing 100% of this audio is just coming from this microphone. The cable's pretty long, so if you can deal with cables, if cables don't bother you, then this is a good choice, in my opinion. Cables do bother me a little bit, so it would frustrate me having a cable like this long, like just kind of sitting along my desk. Now, you could like reroute it, could like put it over here and stuff like that, which would be fine. I'm not huge on cables. I try to live like cable free for the most part. I like having space, and I like wireless tech. Anyway, this is what you can expect with a microphone like this. So if you have a decent camera or a smartphone, you can simply just plug this into your camera, and you can be far away from the camera, and you won't get that issue that you get with onboard microphones for cameras, as well as shotgun microphones. Shotgun microphones are great. I've used them in the past. Plenty of my videos are shot on a shotgun mic. There's one like right over there by Rode that I've used for a while. But the issue with it is, like, as soon as you back up, as soon as you're all the way back here, then you can start telling a difference with the audio quality, and it starts becoming a little faint. It doesn't sound as deep and rich as it would sound if you're like holding it up right to your mouth. The nice thing with a lav mic, you just clip it on your shirt, it just stays here. Audio won't get distorted. No matter where you move in the shot, it's going to remain stable with little volatility in the frequency patterns and stuff like that. So, you know, shout out to YelloWay. Bought this years ago, and I might have actually done a video on this as well, but I don't know. I like taking a look at audio products on this channel. I've done tons of videos on like headphones, audio gear, cameras, stuff like that. Stuff's fun to play around with, don't get me wrong, but you know, compare this with the Alvexcon mic you heard at the beginning of the video. Compare it to the Lumix G7's onboard microphone. I don't know, compare it to the iPhone, whatever you want to compare it to, whatever your heart desires. But this is the, you know,
unedited raw audio you can come to expect from the YelloWay microphone. I'm trying to think of the price I actually paid for this back in the day. It's been a long time. If I were to put a number on it, I probably paid around $20 for it. That's my best guess. And it came with a bunch of mics and splitters and accessories and stuff like that. So you can find great deals on Amazon when it comes to audio products for the most part. There is a microphone out there, a wireless like 3-in-1 microphone, which you can plug into your smartphone, your camera, or any USB-C device. It has like all three, so Lightning, USB-C, and 3.5 auxiliary input. That one's pretty cool. Maybe I'll order that, or whatever company produces that reaches out to me in the future. That's a wireless clip-on mic. So it's like this, except completely wireless. You don't deal with the cable. I'm curious to see how the audio sounds for that one. But anyway, yeah, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully you gained some insight into, budget products out there that, offer a great deal of value for what you're getting for it, in terms of the audio quality, relatively speaking to the amount of money you're actually paying for that product. Right, you can just buy the most expensive product on planet Earth. That's going to sound fantastic, but we don't have infinite money, and sometimes we need to settle on some budget products, and hopefully they bring enough value for whatever use case you may have. So, shout out to YelloWay. I think this audio sounds good, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any video recommendations, by all means, leave those in the comment section down below. If you're a brand and you're interested in working with me in the future, you can just hit me up on the email linked below, scotttylermedia21@gmail.com. Just shoot me an email and we'll collaborate. And yeah, happy to review anything under the sun. In terms of future content coming up, I don't have any new products sitting around right now. I was supposed to review a slim wallet, but the company just hasn't gotten back to me on the shipping yet. Apparently they're backed up. And then I have another company sending me out a MacBook Air case for my specific model, which is kind of cool. So hopefully we'll see those products soon once they get shipped. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Tech with Scott. Subscribe. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.